I'm Kay, and today I am going to be opening an LOL box. Okay. So it has like months around it. How do I? Okay, is there any tape on it? No. Alright, let's open it. Whoa. Alright, there are bags. Like if you open like a LOL ball, like there's these bags, but these are big. Can I have scissors, please? I found it. I found a Terry part. Whoa! I have no idea what this is. It's like a countdown till January.
Oh, it's like a calendar for like the year, I think, because
yeah,
this is like before the new year.
February. So it's February 13th. So it's the February.
Oh, that's really cool.
Of 13th today.
Does it stand? I think you can get it to stand.
How?
Ooh. Oh, there you go.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Okay.
It stands.
Well,
Cool. What is next? Whoa. What is this? It's like a box.
what's in it?
I don't know. It sounds like something like a necklace, jewelry. A necklace of the girl from
Let me see.
the picture. Sorry, Mr. Whatever your name is. Mrs. Whatever your name is. Sorry. That is funny. Alright, let's go to the next. This one looks like paper. Ooh, they're like little stickers. Okay. This one's big. This one's flat, but thick. That was a fit. Oh. What in the world? I could customize her clothing. And I have no idea what this is. In here.
Let me see.
I could customize her clothing. I think there's like stickies. You are not going to be naked for long. Okay. This one's small, but bumpy. What is this? They're like earrings that are like hearts and broken. Cute. Yike. Cute. Wow, such a big bag for a little thing. This is like a keychain with. That's the girl I like on the box, but her hair is like confetti or something. Her hair is confetti. So is the back of her. That's cool. When you shake it, it like moves. Oh, some confetti's falling out. Oh. Wow. What is it? Ooh, it's a clip.
Pin.
A pin. Clip, pin, same thing. They both go on. Well, this one's big. I'm gonna open that one for the last one. That is. This one's the last one.
Oh, that's big.
Yeah, I thought there was another one, but no. Feels like clothing. Alright. Ooh. 1 second. Oh, this looks so comfy.
Oh my god. is so ugly.
But it's so comfy. It's ugly, but it's comfy. Just kidding. Sort of cute. Your face. This is really cool.
You should try it on.
Hold. Ba-da-ba-ba-dum. Ooh, this is super comfy. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.